Welcome to Yoga with Param. I make regular videos on yoga asanas and other aspects of yogic science. Please subscribe and press the bell icon to turn on notifications. In this video, I will show you a demonstration of the first variation of Virbhadrasana with proper technique. I will also guide you on some of the benefits of this asana and the precautions to be taken while practicing it. So please watch this video till the end. Start by standing comfortably in the middle of the mat and then place your feet as wide apart as comfortable. This is the starting position. Turn your right foot 90 degrees to the right and hold. Make sure the heel of your right foot is pointing towards the center of your left foot. Lunge towards your right side until your shin is perpendicular to the floor. This is the correct posture to avoid any knee injury. Turn your face and upper body towards your right and look straight ahead. Extend both arms forward and join your palms together. Raise your arms with palms joined above your head, holding them slightly behind your ears. Arch your lower back and hold this pose for as long as comfortably possible. Holding for 10 breaths is ideal for this practice. Bring your arms down and get back into the starting position. Now turn your left foot 90 degrees to the left. Make sure the heel of your left foot is pointing towards the center of your right foot and your shin is perpendicular to the floor. Turn your face and upper body towards your left and look straight ahead. Extend both arms forward and join your palms together. Raise your arms with palms joined above your head, holding them slightly behind your ears. Arch your lower back and hold this pose same as you did for the other side. Bring your arms down and get back into the starting position. Bring your legs together and relax. There are more variations in this asana which I will share in other videos, so please do subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any updates in new videos. Among other benefits, Virbhadrasana helps in stress relief and improves concentration. It improves your core strength, balance and stability. It also provides a full body stretch. As always, you should consult your doctor before attempting any form of exercise. This asana is not recommended for people suffering from knee, shoulder or spinal ailments. It is also not recommended if you suffer from high blood pressure. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. I will try to answer all your queries. Stay happy, stay healthy.